example 1 of using the distance formula. Well, the distance formula is given by d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared, and it's based on Pythagoras. So the distance formula will find the distance between 2 points. So let's say that we've had a point minus 2, 4 and point 3, 1. And the question will then say find the distance between the 2 points. So first of all, we'll label x1, y1, x2, y2, and straight into the distance formula then. That will be the square root of x2 minus x1, so that's 3 minus minus 2. All squared plus 1 minus 4 all squared. 3 minus minus 2 is 3 plus 2, that's 5, so that's 5 squared, plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3, so it's minus 3 all squared. That's the square root of 5 squared, which is 25, plus minus 3 squared is plus 9. So the distance between those 2 points is root 34, which is a surd that can't be simplified. Example 2, we're given the point 1/2 and minus 15 over 4, and the point minus 1 minus 1, and we need to find the distance between those 2 points. Let's label them x1, y1, x2, y2. Remember that the distance formula is given by the square root of x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. So that will then give me, well, x2 is minus 1, so that's minus 1 minus 1/2 all squared plus minus 1 minus minus 15 over 4 all squared. That will then give me, well, minus 1, I'll write that as minus 2 over 2, minus 1 over 2 all squared, plus minus 1, I'll write that as minus 4 over 4, minus minus, which will turn into a plus 15 over 4 all squared. Minus 2 over 2 minus 1 over 2 is minus 3 over 2 all squared, plus minus 4 over 4 plus 15 over 4 is 11 over 4 all squared. And that will then give me, well, squaring a fraction, square top and bottom, so minus 3 all squared is 9, and 2 squared is 4, plus 11 squared is 121, and 4 squared is 16. I can then get a common denominator by bringing this up to 16, so multiply top and bottom before will give me 36 over 16 plus 121 over 16. That will then give me